Chinese, but as you said, can you give us something about the PSC house? Both discipline, parang housewarming na rin to eh. For our PSC house, just some details. I know it used to be where the Philippine National Bank is. So can you give us something about the PSC house is in
I'd like to say a few things only for that because I think we have to reserve it for the chairman.
Alright.
This is his baby. So I would just like to say it is where we're going to have our Sports Hall of Fame.
Okay.
Yes, the location is in the old P&B building. And kita-kita na lang po tayo, Kuya Bong.
So, kasi media will be there, of course, the enshrinees and their heirs or relatives will be there. Makaka-accommodate po ba lahat? Mag-team, siguro we're looking about between 300 to 400 packs.
Actually, we are looking, no, at around 80 packs.
80
And
packs.
then, yes naman po, we will accommodate according to the invitees that we need.
Okay.
Para po mag-suit din dun sa ating event.
Given the fact that you said that among them will be Cecil Mamilit, has already committed to be around, kasi you'll be coming from the United States. It's based in the US. So he will definitely be around to receive his trophy and being inducted to the Hall of Fame.
Yes, sir, he has already confirmed and he will be here on the 9th